Oh, man.
Tooth Island.
There really is a tooth fairy!
Of course.
Who? I told you he was the clone.
What clone? I shudder to think what sort of crunch cereal this house has.
Hungry for oats? Whoa, choco-lanterns, hay barrels, cornflakes, grape rubber booms!
Yumpers? Dandies? Andrew's mix?
Oh, baby! I didn't even think you could get yumpers in...
Amazing! A fully automated animatronic space alien!
Puny humans! What's up? I'm gonna suck your brains through these bandy straws!
Cool! Actual Crash Nebula dialogue!
See, Mom? Look, I told you.
But who did this?
Phineas and Ferb.
You mean
Yeah.
they washed my car?
Yes! No! What?
It's beautiful! I gotta admit, I thought you were exaggerating a bit, but this is really worth getting excited about.
Hi, Mom. We're home.
Hey, boys! I saw what you did today.
It's ice cream time!
Your humor is quite masterful. Perhaps if I joined your company, I could learn from you.
No way.
Wanna race?
She already thought about that. Yeah! Good idea, Rev! Let's race! You know, Rev, you two don't always have to race. But we love it!
Springfield was nothing more than an evil, bloodthirsty pirate who hated this town.
Good God.
Remember, no boys!
That was not cool. Don't worry. The embarrassment goes away once the car disappears. Nope, the car is gone, and I'm still embarrassed. Whatever, Goofy. It's time to have fun.
Man, you did more than anyone could have asked of you.
Yeah, you're the best. Even though you're as sick as we are, you still tried to save us.
You're a hero.
But I'm not sick!
What?
With fun!
You never gonna be part of our group, Starfire. Never, ever.
But what if I could make of the cookies?
You're in!